Today we're going to talk about the changes in the market due to COVID-19. We noticed that most of end users are switching to have their label production process in their own facilities or factories, instead of outsourcing label production with traditional label converters. First issue is long shipment terms from their media suppliers. A lot of short-term production demands due to many new product options and safety issues. Ramadan Mubarak for you and your families. In this video, we will show you how to make finished label rolls for Ramadan and future occasions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before watching the video. Print your label rolls with SCL 4000D and finish with label slitter. Load your label roll to be printed in SCL 4000D and connect it with label slitter. Adjust the blades of the label slitter. Now start your printing and finishing. SCL 4000D provides you high-quality, full-color 4-inch labels on demand. Label slitter is equipped with 4 adjustable blades so you can finish your label rolls in your desired width. Minimum slitting width is 19 mm. In no time, your label rolls are ready for application. Create personalized label rolls with Labelgraff. Labelgraff digital labeling systems are built to fulfill individual customer needs, even with small quantities, and in a flexible way, to make rolls and adapt them to automatic labeling machines. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.